Hi, I'm Kristen Wilson. The implants were a long experience. It wasn't an overnight thing. So there were a lot of different things that had to happen in my mouth in order to kind of get those set up in place. There was some bone grafting, and then you get the hardware for the implants, and then come back in for a crown. But overall, I think the implant experience was surprisingly really easy. I did not personally experience a lot of pain with it. I thought it was overall really great, and they were really wonderful about doing payment plans and making sure that things were spread out so you're not hit with that expense all at once. It was really nice. It made things, from a feeling standpoint, not very painful, and from a financial standpoint, not very painful. I've been coming to Lakeshore Dental Studios for almost 5 years now. I'd recommend it to anyone who wanted a great dental experience with professional dentists and staff that care and provide the same amount of quality in your experience as they do in your dental care.